Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Junita Dwiwardani. I'm from Universitas Muhammadiyah of Surakarta, major in early childhood education, teacher training. Today I will present my article with title is Development of the Dolanan Song Encyclopedia Prototype to Improve Reading Literacy for Early Age Children Augmented Reality. The team that created of the article consists of Junita Dwiwardani, Febri Testina Nuraini, Suyatno, Probo Siwi, and IC. Okay, I will share screen. Okay, my title is Development of the Dolanan Encyclopedia Prototype to Improve Reading Literacy for Early Age Children Augmented Reality. Introduction. Literacy at an early age requires serious attention from educators. In today's digital world, many children are born into a technological environment. AR, augmented reality technology, provides these children with immersive learning experiences through two basic features of virtual technologies, augmentation and interaction. This advantage in the field of education have made AR one of the main emerging technologies in education over the last 5 years. Research purpose. Our research objective can be listed as follows. Number one, to develop an encyclopedia of dolanan song to improve reading literacy based on augmented reality as on executive function development intervention for young children. Number two, to test the effectiveness of the dolanan-based song encyclopedia augmented reality. Literature review. Early childhood literacy. Literacy related to the concept of liter knowledge, comprehension, vocabulary, phenomenon awareness, writing, and reading. Phonological awareness, along with written knowledge, has an impact on children's reading abilities at the kindergarten level. The research result reveal the approach whole language can improve children's ability to learn English because it makes children understand or know how word format and how to pronounce them. The effectiveness of ER-based learning media of early childhood. Literacy related to the concept of liter knowledge, comprehension, vocabulary, phenomenon, awareness, writing, and reading. Bustaman suggests that use of collaborative learning when designing and engage of ER learning environment. ER can be used and applied to learning media as an innovation so that learning becomes more interesting and interactive, especially for children. The use of ER also improves children learning outcome during drama play and art activities. Therefore, we hope that ER-based financial literacy storybook with collaboration learning should enable them to develop their cognitive skill. Discussion. The digital generation was born in a culture where technology is part of the environment. It is necessary to integrate technological advance in education. A large number of studies have found empirics about the benefit of using ER technology in school and college. There is still debate about whether of use of ER technologies in the early childhood curriculum is appropriate or not. Early childhood teachers need to ensure that the technology used in the early childhood curriculum does not just follow trends. The finding of this study support that the interactive characteristic of augmented reality-based media impact their cognition, attitude, and behavior. The use of ER-based reading literacy storybook can significantly increase knowledge about honesty, discipline, and emotional management. This finding support trend that the effectiveness of using ER in kindergarten setting is still little supported. Possible reason and the challenges of using ER on early childhood setting. For example, technical difficulties regarding mobile phone placement to scan barcode that can generate 3D image as well as ROM lighting. This technical difficulty will trigger cognitive overload, which has a negative impact on learning outcome. It is necessary to embrace of role of teacher who have technological literacy to support the inclusion of ER technology in early childhood education. Conclusion and recommendation. Cultivating literacy through story-based media augmented reality is an activate executive function that develop rapidly in children aged 5 to 6 years. Based on this result, the encyclopedia was successfully designed and developed using a 4D model. This media generated a positive response among users by user pre and post test design, testing the effectiveness of ER-based storybooks show an increases in reading literacy understanding. This ER-based encyclopedia significantly increased understanding of certain aspects of reading literacy of early childhood, knowledge of letter, word, the being able to express word. However, the ability to read directly increase only slightly. The research is short-term. Further research can develop learning media to teach reading literacy as a long-term implementation so that the impact can be seen on student behavior and is not only limited to knowledge. Also, further research need to consider whether ER uses cognitive overload in young students. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.